Is it time to buy or sell Nike stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Nike. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 2nd, 2024, our system has categorized Nike as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of -4.51. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has reflected a loss of 1.2%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.6% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower boundary of this trend, located at $81.86, is breached, it could indicate a slower rate of increase and may serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is a projection of roughly 20.95% change over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 20.61% to 33.23%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates an anticipated decline of approximately 26.48% over the next year, with potential returns varying from -42.47% to -14.47%. This suggests a future price range between $47.23 to $70.22 after a year. Our latest daily update for Nike includes the headline, "Red Day on Thursday for Nike." The Nike stock price decreased by 1.2% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, falling from $83.10 to $82.10. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.2%, ranging from a day low of $81.98 to a day high of $83.78. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.38% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is a positive sign since volume generally follows the stock's movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 16 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.18 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $123.39, while the lowest price reached $70.75. Currently, the price stands 33.46%, or $41.29, below the 52-week high. It is also 54.16%, or $97, beneath the all-time high recorded on the 5th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $179.10. Nike stock has seen considerable volatility following its recent earnings report, which highlights growing concerns among investors regarding the company's future. Although Nike reported a 10% earnings per share beat and an improvement in gross margins, shares dropped by approximately 10% as investors grappled with the reality of Nike's ongoing turnaround efforts. The company has not only reduced guidance for fiscal 2025, now projecting a 7% revenue decline, but has also raised alarms with disappointing sales figures, particularly in Greater China. Analysts have largely adopted a cautious approach, with firms like Jefferies advising against purchasing during this recent dip, viewing Nike as a problematic investment amid a broader market shift, indicating weaker consumer spending. This cautious stance is echoed by others who perceive the downturn as a sign of the challenges ahead rather than a favorable time for acquisition. In the short term, the lack of clear guidance and declining sales may continue to weigh heavily on investor sentiment, potentially exerting further pressure on the stock. Long term, while a change in leadership may eventually guide Nike back to growth, the path appears laden with obstacles. Until tangible progress is demonstrated, the stock could remain volatile as investors reassess their positions. For those considering investment, the current environment suggests a need for vigilance and a careful evaluation of how Nike plans to navigate these complexities moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned NKE a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned NKE a hold grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NKE a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein assigned NKE a negative grade with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned NKE a sector perform grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Nike stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book value as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nike. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. The Nike stock is currently exhibiting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook for the stock. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $87.08 and $83.21. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, September 27, 2024, and thus far, it has decreased by 8.21%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume also fell alongside the price during the last trading session, which diminishes overall risk since volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that might pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands also reflected a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average has produced a sell signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average has indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 12 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average has shown a sell signal 3 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average has also indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages displayed a buy signal 177 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nike. Nike finds support from accumulated volume at $78.50. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements combined with good trading volume, which classifies the risk as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.80 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 2.20%. For the past week, the stock demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.27%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nike, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in businesses with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 19th of December, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 78 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nike. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nike is at $82.50. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nike encounters its first support level at $78.50. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nike from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of September, 2024, Miller & M conducted an insider purchase of 36,833 shares of performance-based restricted stock units. On the same day, Matheson Monique S. also conducted an insider purchase of 36,833 shares of performance-based restricted stock units. On the 18th of September, 2024, Williams Craig A. made an insider purchase of 73,665 shares of performance-based restricted stock units. On that same day, O'Neill Heide conducted an insider purchase of 73,665 shares of performance-based restricted stock units. On the 18th of September, 2024, Friend Matthew purchased 49,110 shares of performance-based restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 5.248. In total, insiders have purchased 5,729,002 shares and sold 5,210,273 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and a stop-loss order has not been established. Is Nike stock a good buy? The stock of Nike shows several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Nike will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of October, we expect Nike to open at 52 cents higher, starting at $82.62. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information found on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.